In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your account name in Gmail. Whether you're rebranding yourself or simply correcting a typo, knowing how to update your Gmail display name can be quite helpful. So, let's dive in and guide you through the process step by step to ensure you feel confident in making this change on your own. First things first, you need to fire up your preferred web browser. Generally, it's best to use Google Chrome for a seamless experience with Google products, but Firefox or Safari should work just fine too. Once your browser is open, navigate to the official Gmail website by typing in www.gmail.com in the address bar and then press enter. After landing on Gmail's homepage, log in with your credentials if you aren't already signed in. This usually involves entering your email address and password. If you're using two-factor authentication, make sure to have your phone handy to verify your identity. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Gmail interface. There you'll notice a small gear icon. This is the gateway to Gmail settings, so go ahead and click on it. Clicking the gear icon will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you will want to select See All Settings. This option will take you to a new page where you can access more detailed settings and make changes to your Gmail account. On the Settings page, there will be a series of tabs along the top. Click on the Accounts and Import tab. This is where you can manage various aspects of your Gmail account, including your display name. Under the Accounts and Import tab, find the section titled Send Mail As. To the right, you'll see your current email address displayed, along with the display name that's currently associated with it. Look for the Edit Info link directly next to this information and click on it. Clicking Edit Info will pop up a new window where you can change the display name. There will be a text field that shows your current name. Now's your chance to update it. Simply enter your desired display name in this box. Try to keep it professional or personal, depending on your preferences, as this will be the name people see when you send them emails. Once you've entered your new display name, click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the pop-up window. This step ensures that your changes are applied and sets your new display name as the one that will be shown going forward. And there you have it. It's as simple as that. Your Gmail account name is now updated. If you need to verify the change, consider sending a test email to yourself or a friend to see your new display name in action. Thanks for tuning in and stay tuned for more useful guides like this one.